In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize designs in Canva. Before we get started though, I have to make one thing very clear. If you're on a free Canva plan, you cannot resize designs after creating them. So if you're indeed on a Canva free plan, it is very important for you to start with the right dimensions from the get-go. So for free members, that means when you're on the homepage of Canva, when you click on Create a Design in the upper right corner of the screen, when you select a template from here, you have to be very careful that you're actually choosing a template that has the exact dimensions that you are looking for. And if you cannot find a template with these exact dimensions, go to Custom Size below and then enter the desired dimensions right there. Because as mentioned, once the design is created, you will not be able to resize it. Now for people with a Canva Pro subscription, here's how you resize your designs in Canva. First of all, click on your design and then in the upper left corner of the screen, click on Resize and Magic Switch. In the past this was simply called Resize, and then for some times this was only called Magic Switch. And to make it even more confusing, at the current time it is called Resize and Magic Switch. Now, depending on where you are located, there is a chance that for you, the name here might not be exactly the same. Or it could have one of the previous names that I just mentioned, which are either just Resize or only Magic Switch. Now, no matter which of these three names you actually see here, this is the place where you need to click to resize your design in Canva. So click on it. And now if you have custom dimensions in mind that you would like to use to resize your design, then below click here on where it says Custom Size, and then enter the desired dimensions right here. So currently we have 1080 by 1920 pixels, and let's just say that I would like to invert that. So I would simply write 1920 here, and then for the height I would actually do 1080. Make sure that this is ticked as well. And then below click on Continue. And here you will already get a nice preview of how this is gonna look like. And below you can then actually choose if you would like to make a copy of your design with the resized dimensions, or if you just click on Resize this design, then the resize will take place on the current design without making any copy. So in my case, I don't want to create an additional copy of this design, so I will just select Resize this design. And Canva perfectly resized this design for us. Now obviously you can still adjust everything to your liking, so you can just click on an element and then move it around, or you can also click on elements and then delete them, and if you go to elements on the left sidebar, as usual you can easily add new stuff to your designs as well. Now instead of using a custom design when resizing, there are also certain resize templates for you. So once again we would click on Resize and Magic Switch here on top, but this time instead of clicking on Custom Size here, we can also browse through these categories right here and then for example resize our project for social media. So if I click here for instance, Canva is going to suggest to us very popular social media formats. For example, here you can perfectly resize your design in case you would like to use your design as an Instagram reel, an Instagram story, a TikTok video, or maybe even a Facebook video. So if you already know that you would like to make a Facebook video, but you aren't sure about the dimension that you should choose, then it's a great idea to come in here, because here you will see at a glance which are the most suitable and most popular dimensions for these media types. So let's say I would like to use this design here as a YouTube banner, then I would just scroll down here. And just right here we have YouTube banner, and so to resize this design to make it perfect for a YouTube banner, all we need to do is to click on where it says YouTube banner right here, and then at the bottom we would click on Continue, and finally we click on Resize this design. And just like that, our design has been resized to make it perfectly fit as a YouTube banner. So to summarize, as a Canva Pro user, at any given time you can click on Resize and Magic Switch here on top and then resize your design as desired. If you need your file in 5 different formats for example, then this is also not a problem, because then, as I explained to you, when you resize the design, you always have the option to create a copy of the design as well. So it's very easy to keep the design in the original format as well as creating other formats with your designs. And this is all you need to know about how to resize in Canva. If you would like to know about the 30 greatest Canva hacks ever, make sure to watch the next video on my channel. Also don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.